This is how to make the perfect caramel sauce in just a few simple steps. For this recipe, all you'll need is 120 grams of granulated sugar, 35 millilitres of milk, 35 grams of butter, 2 tablespoons of water, and a pinch of salt. Put the sugar and salt into a saucepan and stir in 2 tablespoons of water. Put the pan on a medium heat. Now it's time to stop stirring the mixture, as this will cause it to crystallise. If the mix starts to cook unevenly, lift the pan and gently swirl the contents. Once the caramel is a golden amber in colour, add 35 grams of butter and stir until melted. Take the pan off the heat and add 35 millilitres of milk and stir. Watch out, as the caramel will be hot and will bubble up a little. Once the bubbling has settled, mix until smooth. Transfer into a clean bowl and set aside to cool a little. And there you have it, the perfect caramel sauce that's ideal for drizzling over ice cream, cakes, or just about anything you like. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more baking tutorials.